In our previous class, we had seen the concept of inner joins, that is, we have to retrieve the details from both the tables based on some matching criteria. So that subset only we were retrieving. Now suppose we are interested in getting the details of one table completely and again the details of other table as well, which is matched. And those details which are not getting matched, then we have to return empty in the case of left joins. Now this we can achieve with the help of outer join. So in Oracle or any database, we are having couple of joins, that is left outer join and the right outer join. So left outer join means we have to get the details of the left table over here completely, and on the right we should get empty, which are not matched. So this will include complete details of the one table and the details of the other table which is getting matched, but which are not getting matched, it will be empty. So this is left join. Also it is called as left outer join in some of the databases. So we can use left join in Oracle's database if we are using ANSI standards. Also there is the Oracle's proprietary way of mentioning the joins. We will explain that concept shortly. Also there is the right join. So in right join, we will get the details from second table, that is on the right of the join, and matching criteria from the table 1. But what is not matched, we will get empty. So coming to the documentation, what I have written over here, I have explained the same thing what I have explained with the graphical description. I have written over here the left outer join syntax, that is the following left join will join the toys table and the bricks table based on the ID, that is toy ID is equal to brick ID. Since toys is on the left side of the join, it is called as left outer join. So it will return all the details from the toys table and the matching records from the bricks table, and what is not matched we should get null. Now let me just run this over here. Select and run. Here if you observe, so we are having brick ID is equal to and 3, and those details are also present in the toy ID. But for the toy ID 1, we don't have any brick ID with number 1. So we are getting over here empty. Now suppose if we change this to right outer join and see what the detail comes. So it will be other way, like we won't get the details for the toy ID 1 because we don't have any brick ID with the number 1. Instead we have brick ID 4 which is not present in toys table. So right outer join will return all the details of the table over here, that is on the right, matching with the details available in the toys table, and what is not matched, it will come as empty. Now also we can make use of the left join and change the position of these tables, like bricks will come over here and toys will come over here. We should get the similar results by either by interchanging the position of the tables or by writing the right join left join over here. Even we can mention left join and run, we should get the same results. Yeah. So in Oracle database, it supports left join, left outer join, as well as the Oracle's proprietary notation. Now we will look how the Oracle's proprietary notation works. Now in Oracle's proprietary notation, since we have explained over here the left join, that is joining toys table with the bricks based on toy ID. Now in Oracle, we are using plus operator. So based on the position of this plus, it will consider it's a right join or left join. Suppose we want to do the left outer join on toys table with the bricks table. Then what we have to mention is on the condition, that is in the where clause, we have to mention plus. So if the position is over here, then it should be considered as a left outer join. So we are left outer joining toys table with bricks table. So it will return all the toy ID information from the toys. What is matched with the brick ID, it will return, and what is not matched, it will consider as null. Now let me run this. Here if you see, we are getting the details for all the toy ID, but what is not matched, we are getting null. So suppose we interchange the details of this plus operator from brick ID to toy ID. Now it is considered as a right outer join because it will fetch all the details of this brick ID, and what is matched from the toy ID with the brick ID, that it will return, and what is not matched, we should get empty. Now if I run this, we should get all the details of brick ID, but what is not matched with the toy ID, we should get null in the toy ID. So this is what it says. Now Oracle's proprietary method is very easy to use, but if you are a beginner, you will find little difficult in order to understand based on the placing of this plus operator. Now similar thing I have explained over here. In order to return all the rows from the bricks, you can switch the position of the left to right, that we have seen over here. We changed from left to right and we have changed the details what it fetches from the table. Also we have seen this by placing the plus operator on the left side. In our next class we will learn about filtering in joins.